Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in my last video I have covered WP automatic, how you can get WP automatic from my link and how you can set up all that. And today we will see the WoodMart theme. Okay, so I will give you the licensed file of WoodMart where you can install the theme, and again you can use the feature of demo import, and you can just import all the demos from there. Okay, let's start. Here is the WordPress dashboard. As you can see, I am going to themes, appearance theme, then here you add new theme, then click on upload theme, and here you can choose file. So this WoodMart license file I will give the link in the description itself, so you can go and check that out. And as you know, the WoodMart theme would cost around, I'll show you. Yeah, this is the WoodMart theme, and this theme cost around 59 USD. Okay, so it's around $59, but while converting it to Indian rupees it will be around 5,000 rupees, but I will give you in just 75 rupees. Okay, so this file you will get in just 75 rupees, or it is 1 USD. It's just 1 USD. Okay, now let's install it. I will show you that this theme version is totally licensed and you will not face any issue. Also, I will attach my Telegram link in the description where you can text me, or if you face any issue while installing, I will fix that. Okay, so let's wait for this to get installed. So guys, as you can see that the WoodMart theme has been installed here successfully. So let's go and click on activate, and now I will show you the license file here. Okay, so do not worry about getting elsewhere. So let's go and go to theme license. I will directly go to this and I'll show you. See, the license is verified and the theme is activated, so you do not have to worry about anything about activating the license. So that's it guys. And okay, let's I'll also show you the demo. If you might wonder if this theme file is demo or not, see, there are all the demos available. This is the latest version and here all the demos are available. You can import any demo, but before that you have to install these plugins that will be available here. Okay, on the plugin section you have to install whatever plugin you need, and then you have to go for demo installation. Okay guys, that's it, and I want you to subscribe to my channel so that I will bring more videos like this regarding installation of this theme, and many more videos regarding the customization of the theme also. So if you want the customization of this theme also, I will help you. You can text me on Telegram. I will just drop my Telegram link in the description itself, and you can check and contact me right there also. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video till end.